All right, got my first 4-gallon container filled up. Propagating some seeds right there using orchard moss in a 2-inch net cup. Just wicking up the water. Works really well. Here's my soil I amend. Same soil I've been recycling for years. I just keep on adding to it. These are the bigger containers here. I'm gonna do tomatoes and stuff like that on here. It is the year 2023, July 10th. This is about a month now. My plants in the system. I did change things up from past. As far as the grow system setup, I kind of spun it like 180, and I have 2 less channels. I had 6 channels at one time running, but now I only have 4. This is a month of growth. I did buy plants pre-started, and then here's the growing flat. Tomatoes and peppers in there. Plant it all basically same time. Yeah, maybe a few days behind, but whatever. 1/4-inch line runs down along here and comes over to here, tees into that, which it goes into my garden hose, and then tees off of there, goes over to here, which there's a float inside there. Always keeps a certain amount of water in the reservoir. Same thing over here. There's a float inside there that you can adjust for your water level. But there you go, self-watering. Haven't used any nutrients yet. Just using amended soil and just running water through here right now. So great way to conserve on energy. But everything's doing good. I got one plant that has something going on. I might end up pulling it because I don't know, there's something going on with it. It's got something funky. Already getting tomatoes on here. Aromas in there coming in. Peppers coming in. This is a cherry tomato. There's a bunch of cherries already coming in. I trimmed the heck out of this thing. I had to get rid of some of the foliage. It was literally blocking out that one. So just trimmed it up. Got rid of a bunch of leaves. Yeah, I bought some of these plants at different places, so they do different things. This is like a bell pepper, and it's a little behind, I guess. But it's all right. It'll pull through, man. Same thing there. There's another one bought from the same place. Everything I bought from Lowe's or Home Depot, man, it's like, I think this is a mammoth jalapeno. That thing is just looks like starting to look like a tree trunk. Unreal. So, Riverponics, there you go. Riverponics.com. I do a lot of different stuff, so I can customize things. If you notice, the channels come in different sizes. That's 2 inches in height versus this is your all-around kind of 4-inch. You know, you can do more stuff with the 4-inch. This would be more for, I mean, of course I'm doing peppers and this and that, but be more for your hydroponic stuff too. Either or, actually, really. If I was gonna buy something, it would be the 4-inchers because they're just more versatile. Put it that way. Can hold more root mass, because that's what happens here with this system. It's a combination of hydroponics and using soil if you want to. In my case, I'm a soil guy, and it conserves on nutrients. When it rains, the rain saturates through the soil, and then it carries the mineral nutrients out of the soil into the growth system, which then is like a compost tea running through your whole system now on a continuous basis. So every time it rains, it kind of flushes things out. It's just a really cool thing. Now, you don't have to use soil. You can use soilless medium. You can, like I said, grow hydroponically in here, but at least it gives you a lot of different options. And you can kind of see here how you could do like leafy green lettuce and stuff like that running right out of here. So, all right, folks. Yep, look me up anytime. Give me a call, email me, and I'll answer any further questions.